Welcome back everyone. Today I'm sharing a small but beautiful update from our Budgie Aviary. It's amazing to see how much the birds are enjoying their new space, so I thought I'd show you a little before and after of the aviary, and how happy the Budgies are now. Every day they surprise me with their energy, colors and little playful moments, so I wanted to bring you along to enjoy this update with me. Welcome to Dream Birds Aviary. Before the changes, the aviary was simple and still in progress. The Budgies were active, but the space didn't feel fully complete. There were fewer perches, less color, and not many places for them to play or explore. But even then, they made the best of it, flying around, chirping, and enjoying whatever was available. Even the cockatiel babies are happy inside the aviary, living together with the Budgies, eating together, and enjoying the space like one big family. But now, after the upgrades, everything has completely changed. We added new perches, more natural wood branches, clean fresh food and water trays, and plenty of open space for the Budgies to fly around freely. The whole aviary looks brighter, fresher, and full of life from every corner. I also installed brand new breeding boxes on one side of the aviary, all the same size and arranged neatly in one straight row. This makes the aviary look more organized, and it gives every pair their own comfortable space to choose from. With all these improvements together, the birds are more active, more relaxed, and enjoying their home even more than before. You can really see the difference in the birds' behavior. The Budgies are flying longer distances, exploring every corner, and playing on the new perches. Their colors look brighter, their chirping is louder, and overall they seem much more confident and happy in the updated aviary. Even the young Budgies and cockatiel babies are mixing together without any problems, eating side by side, sharing space, and enjoying the natural branches we added. Moments like these show how important a good environment is for their health and happiness. For me, the best part is watching them settle in so quickly. Within just a few hours, they started exploring every new perch, trying out the fresh branches, and choosing their favorite breeding boxes. Some of them were even playing with the chains on the trays and testing out different spots to sit. It really shows how small upgrades can make a big difference in their daily life. And as I was recording this update, I noticed something beautiful. The whole aviary feels more alive now. The birds are not just flying, they are interacting, calling each other, and enjoying the extra space. You can feel the positive energy as soon as you walk in. It's moments like these that remind me why I love keeping birds and why I enjoy sharing these updates with all of you. Every small improvement we make adds comfort to their lives, and seeing them this happy motivates me to keep upgrading and maintaining the aviary. I will continue bringing more natural branches, more toys, and maybe even redesign a few sections to give them even more freedom and enrichment. Their happiness is my biggest reward, and I'm glad I can share these progress updates with you all. So I hope you enjoyed this little before and after update of the Budgie Aviary. It's a simple video, but it shows a big change, not just in the setup, but in the birds' mood and behavior. I'll keep sharing more updates as they grow, explore, and start using the new breeding boxes. There is always something new happening in the aviary, and I'm happy to bring you along on this journey. Thank you so much for watching today's update and spending your valuable time with us here at Dreambirds Aviary. It truly makes me happy to share these peaceful moments with all of you, moments where the Budgies and Cockatiels are flying freely, eating together, and enjoying the upgrades we have made for them. Your support, your likes, your comments, and the love you show to this channel motivates me to keep improving the aviary and keep bringing you more beautiful content. Every time you watch, it encourages me to work harder, add more ideas, and create an even better home for these birds. If you enjoyed the before and after changes, the new breeding boxes, the natural branches, and the happy energy inside the aviary, please don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. There is so much more coming. More updates, more tips, more winter setups, breeding progress, and daily life moments with the birds. Thank you once again for being part of this journey. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, take care of yourselves, stay safe, stay happy, and stay blessed.